sija tuča i grad, da ide tva pusta mista, va morsku pučinu, i v naša mista da ne obratit se, da ne ima treći va dan sudnji, nik tože nam ne prereče. Ja vam preću, da ne imate oblasti va sem polje našem i va vsih selih naših, i deže ležet molitvi sije i slova sija. Vpadite va pučini morskije i pogreznite va pustih mistih, i deže vol ne rove, ni prasac ruče, ni glas človičeski slišice. Tamo idi.
One of the most iconic features in Croatia's cultural landscape are Gomile. Gomile are ritual and burial mounds. Made out of earth or stone, these ancient monuments served as tombs, temples, and altars. Most Gomile date back to prehistory, but some were constructed or reused during the Middle Ages. Gomile were often built using unprocessed stone untouched by iron. In fact, many Gomile often blend in the environment so well that an untrained eye cannot distinguish them from the natural landscape. Generations helped create these monuments. Tradition dictates that when passing a Gomila, you toss a stone on top of the mound as an act of piety and remembrance. And so, for thousands of years, the Gomila grew in size. Gomile are altars, ritual and cult sites where people would present offerings and prayers to God, observe the heavens, and perform rituals since prehistory. Even today, many communities continue to use their Gomile as places for Christian worship and local ceremonies, such as processions, lighting of bonfires, and in rituals of blessing the fields. Gomile often contain tombs within them, with bodies or cremated remains deposited in small niches inside the mound. According to historians and archaeologists, these prehistoric burial mounds or tumuli were erected during funeral ceremonies in honor of deceased tribal leaders and heroes. Gradually, they were expanded by the addition of new burials. Gomile also marked the boundaries of a community's territory and served as symbolic protection of those borders. Gatherings and tribunals were held at these for the community's sacred places. Many stories and legends surround these sites. Stories about hidden treasures, ancient temples deliberately buried under heaps of stone, and an enigmatic race of giants called Stari Narod or Nemri. Gomile were believed to protect the land and its people. Locals still recount tales of terrible storms and natural disasters occurring if these sites were treated with disrespect. An amazing example of indigenous organic and sacral earthwork architecture, Gomile are an important aspect of Croatian cultural heritage.